Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Hugo.
We're sell quick, ship quick, part-time resellers.
Full-time hustlers.
And we have a ThredUp handbag box.
Yeah. If you haven't seen our other videos, we have a couple other ThredUp boxes and
get linked
up there. This is a bigger box.
Wait. This box is big.
Yeah.
It's kind of heavy too.
Got its polka dots. That should probably help. Yeah, got it.
Alright. I'm gonna open it. No!
Okay.
Safety. Give me the without the thing open. Oh my gosh.
Must say, we have no idea what's in here, except we do know it's handbags, but we haven't opened it, so I'm excited to see.
Okay, so we did get a really nice Burberry bag from our designer box, and then that really nice leather bag
from the previous box. Yeah.
All right, so then we also got a really
bad bag.
The Longchamp bag. So, all right, crossing our fingers that this is gonna be amazing.
At the very least, it's exciting.
First one. I'm not looking.
Okay.
It's blue. It's
damaged.
It is Barbara. Oh, Barbara, girl, you need to take care of yourself.
Oh, Barbara. So what she's rubbing there, apparently it was sitting on a crease for so long that it got damaged from being on that crease fold.
Alright, I don't know this brand. I meant to say bag, but then I started to say brand. Barbara was made in Italy.
And destroyed in the US.
Alright, well, I mean, the inside is fine, but like if you can see there's a lot of damage to this.
That whole crease mark all the way around, really.
Yeah, I don't know if this is sellable.
I wonder if it's leather, because
it's really...
It's not flaking like regular leather.
Yeah, so I don't know if you can see any of that, like, marking. And then the back, that blue part is, like, destroyed, too.
Which is unfortunate, because the color is really nice.
Back there.
And the design, too. The shape of the bag is nice, too. But... We'll have to look and see if it's, in some cases...
Like, the insides right here, where it creases.
Really, any crease is found damaged. But...
It smells like leather.
Oh, actually it does. I thought she was tricking me.
No, maybe it's just, like, from sitting, like...
Yeah, but, again, there's certain things, I mean, we sell fashion and hard goods, and in some cases... damaged and destroyed is still worth something. So we'll have to look that up.
Ooh, this is cute. It's a Vera Bradley bag. This is a really nice bag.
Me gusta.
It's really clean.
Yeah. Nice little quilted.
I don't see anything wrong with it.
Oh, it's nice. It even still has the little fastener. Yeah. Alright, there you go.
Ooh. Okay, so side note, there was one year when I was really into sewing, and I do have like a nice machine. I wanted to make bags because many years ago I thought, oh, I'm gonna sell things on Etsy, and then you created a store for me. Was it like handmade by Tiff?
No, it's called Tiff's Knits.
Oh, Tiff's Knits, because I also knit and crochet, and I was gonna, one woman shop like a million scarves and bags.
One woman, because I tried and I can't knit or sew.
So I wanted to make bags like kind of like this, but the bag that the design that I was working on was like with the thick canvas material. But this is a really nice bag. I probably can't make a Vera Bradley bag, but hey. Oh, and wait for it. hold on. It came with the bobby pin.
Yeah. You never know. So.
Okay, also I don't really know bags very well.
No, is it Ashton Kutcher?
Amy Westenberg. No. Amy Kess?
No, that looks like a cake.
Oh. Kestenberg.
Is that right?
Have you guys heard of this? I don't know this.
It almost looks like a diaper bag.
But it's in really good condition.
I wonder if it is a diaper bag.
The inside's really clean. Well, no. Oh, you know what? I think it is. Hey, this is a really fancy diaper bag then if it is.
And they do exist.
So it's got like the outside pockets here, you know, for bottles. Right?
Yeah.
I
was scared. I felt something. I was like, I hope it's not a tooth. It's not.
The bottom of the bag is in really good shape. I don't know what this loop is for. There's like a strap at the bottom. What would the strap be for?
Well,
maybe to hold something like underneath?
Yeah, if it is a baby thing.
Oh, a mat?
Yeah, a mat to change the baby. I don't know.
Maybe.
We don't have kids, but big imagination.
It's a nice bag though. It's really durable.
Yeah,
I mean, it's got some.
It look not in this lighting. I could see some discoloration.
Yeah, and there's like dirt underneath the handle part.
Yeah, but curious. Yeah, if you guys know what it is.
I mean, the inside's really clean.
Yeah.
Let's see, what does that say? 100% genuine leather on the outside. That's it.
Yeah. But let us know in the comments if you've seen, sold, or I don't know.
Okay.
Shimmy over here.
What's this one?
Right here up front, we got the sack.
Okay. Oh. Alright, so there is damage to...
The strap's somewhat severe.
Like on the inside. I mean, you just need some trimming. Some trims. Oh, there's, yeah, the strap.
It's alive.
Okay, wait. Alright, I got it.
Okay. Inside.
Inside doesn't look too bad.
No.
But it's just the straps have most of the wear. Like the outside doesn't
Oddly
look
enough,
bad.
the bottom doesn't have any. It really was just a strap. I'm assuming, I don't know if it was just from carrying it a lot, or maybe they hung it on something.
No, I think it's just probably from like the actual wear. So the stitching on the strap is a little bit beat. But the condition of the outside of the bag and the bottom of the bag where you would think would be messed up isn't.
Yeah, it really has just been properly used a lot.
Yeah. Oh, this is cute. Is this another diaper? Franco Sarto. Oh, I didn't know they made bags. So we picked up like the shoes from Franco Sarto. Ooh. This is a nice bag. It's got this really cute like paisley print.
Yeah, I like the zippers.
And it's got the extra, like, you can make it into...
A shoulder bag.
Is that what that is? Or a handbag? Okay, yeah.
Well, this would be handbag. Shoulder. You like that? Handbag. Shoulder. I think I made my point.
You're very animated today. Alright, well the zippers and everything look clean. The inside looks clean. Yeah, I mean...
it's actually a really nice bag, yeah.
There's like no...
real sign of wear.
On the inside.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's actually really clean on the inside.
And the inside is like made of like the regular, is it canvas?
I think
right?
so.
That would be just canvas. Normally like the canvas will get like the like makeup stains or lipstick stains or you know.
like smears of some kind.
There's nothing in there.
And the hardware all looks good, not all scratched up.
Also, it still has the little plastic thing.
From what would have been the tag.
Okay, well that's
not anymore. But
okay. But that was there.
Yeah, and then also the whatever you call this, the strap is
your shoulder strap?
Your shoulder strap. Isn't really conditioned.
Oh.
This looks really nice.
Hey, this is a really cute bag. What is this? Can you read that? On the inside? What does that say?
That says sometime.
Oh, is that what that says?
Yeah. Sometime by Asian designers.
Huh?
That's what it says. I'm not making it up. I would say something like that, but it said.
Oh.
What does it say, honey?
It says sometime by Asian designers. Okay, I've definitely never heard of this.
Yeah, let us know if you have.
Hey, but this is a really nice bag.
It is.
By Asian designers, apparently.
Yeah.
Hey, this is really cute. Hey, remember? Okay, so you bought me a bag that was like this, remember?
Yeah, a little slightly different shape, but yeah,
Many moons ago, when we were starving children, you bought me my Target purse.
I'm still always hungry.
Yeah, this is a really cute bag. Okay, I don't know what this is, but
there's slight wear, but
very little wear.
Yeah, because in the front you can see some of it, but
where's the wear?
Down here.
Oh.
But just like I said, very minor, just the corners.
And it looks like nail polish.
Nail polish.
But look, this bag is really cute. Like a little messenger bag. I kind of like the color too.
Yeah.
Huh. Well, bag might not get sold.
To keep or not to keep?
Coach?
Is it Coach?
I don't know. Look inside. Is it Coach?
Is it Coach? It has that Coach shape. No, it's not Coach.
Oh.
It's BCBG girl.
Girls.
Girls. Actually, it's just BCB girls. Because the G is part of the girls.
It's clean.
Yeah.
Pockets are empty. Clean.
It's actually, it's white and very clean. It has a small mark here. I think I might be able to clean that off. But for a white bag, this is really clean.
It's a cute little handbag.
Yeah.
Like nice little hardware detail on it.
It's not actually big label too. Like there's no big label name on it, which could be nice.
Oh, this is cute. Rachel Pally. Okay. I think I saw this in Denali's video. A Rachel Pally baggy thing.
Oh, like
I think this was in one of her videos. But this is really cute. The little
it looks like the bags you use to take money to the bank.
Yeah, but like it's in really good shape. I don't see any wear really on the outside.
No.
The only thing is there's like a mark on the inside of the bag that you can kind of see right there. Yeah. But this is a really cute bag.
It looks like it'll fit an iPad.
Oh, I don't use an iPad, so.
I like that.
I think that's what you.
So, huh?
Like
I don't know about you, but I've been sold.
Oh, this is a cute Kate Spade. Oh, this kind of looks like that other. Oh wait, oh, is it missing the strap? Or no, I think the strap's inside.
Maybe it's inside. Maybe it's inside.
Okay, wait. Oh, it is.
It is.
Oh, that's why, because the hardware is broken.
Very broken.
Yeah.
It's like shattered broken. Okay.
Oh, I'm not sure how to fix it. Oh, I guess you could take it somewhere. They'd probably be able to fix it. I mean, the inside's a little bit dirty, but okay, the hardware, it does have like scratching on the hardware here. But the strap's included. It's just a cute little handbag. Outside, everything else looks good except the strap is a little broken.
Just a little bit. Excuse me.
Alright, this is a Marc Jacobs bag. Oh, this is cute. I actually was looking for a bag like this before.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Oh, you know what? I do remember you bringing it up.
So this is it's not the leather one. It's like a canvas bag.
Not canvas.
Oh, that's what's wrong with it. Okay, so this Marc Jacobs bag was good until I saw this. Right there, you can see that's not connected anymore.
No, it's no longer attached.
That's a problem. So, oh, and then the front where it says Marc Jacobs, you can't really see that it says Marc Jacobs anymore.
Yeah, you just gotta assume it says it.
But like the inside is a little dirty. But it is like, it has like the zipper pouch thing here, and then you have like the inside of the bag here, so it's got like 2 sections.
Well, it was like the bag you wanted until you now realize it's not completely a bag right now.
No, it's still a bag. It's just like missing a little bit
Of
to
the
hold.
bag qualities?
Yeah. Like, I don't know if that's fixable.
No, that would need a brand new strap that needs to be attached because it's sewn in at the ends.
Alright, last one.
What? That's a doozy.
It's Vera Bradley.
Oh.
Okay, I'm pretty sure this is a diaper bag.
The quilting makes it...
There's like a million pockets on the
and
inside.
they're very big, like for bottles.
Yeah, but it does have this nice, like, fun print on the inside. But as you can see, there's like the pockets and stuff for all the
So,
bottles.
yeah, big pockets because my whole hand goes in. Yeah, that's probably a diaper bag. But it is a nice
It's a really
one.
nice bag.
Yeah. Working little
Or all our water bottles.
in one bag. I'll rock this.
Yeah, but it's like nice and quilted, and then the bottom looks just very minor, like
I
cleaning.
think it just needs, yeah, wiped down. This is nice.
But otherwise,
It's funny we got
nice.
two of them in the same.
I really
Yeah.
like that pattern one though.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, you're still wearing it.
yeah, I'm still wearing it. So we got the Asian Designers bag. Sometime by Asian Designers.
Sometime. When was it designed? Sometime.
Yeah. Vera Bradley. We got the Kate Spade that needs the strap to be fixed because the strap, as you can see, the strap no longer has like the clippy attachment. Marc Jacobs.
That doesn't read Marc Jacobs anymore.
It's
Slash.
still attached. It's just like the outerwear isn't. It's still being held up.
If I sneeze on it, it will no longer be there. I like that one.
The Rachel Pally bag. I really like this print.
The BC girl, or BCB girl.
Yeah, BCB girls.
This one's nice too.
Yeah, the Franco Sarto bag, the paisley print.
A sack, or the sack.
Yeah, the sack, which only had the wear on the straps.
Oh, and then the other one with the might be a diaper bag. Amy
Oh man, Amy Kestenberg.
Kastenberg.
The cute Vera Bradley bag.
Really nice print.
And then Sad Barbara.
Yeah, with all the
Very
crease
sad
wear.
Barbara. Well, let's not crease it more. She's so sad already.
I don't think.
Alright, well, that was an interesting handbag box.
Yeah, definitely. Again, had no idea. So when you get these boxes, and we have a link below, so you guys, if you're interested in a box, you don't know what you're gonna get. You can get a category like designer bags, and our other boxes were rescue boxes, right?
Yes.
Designer rescue boxes.
Yes.
And then we also did a men's box. So there's different boxes, label like theme, but you don't know what's in it. But with that,
Thanks for watching us.
don't forget to subscribe,
And hit the like.
hit the bell,
And
and keep an eye out. Yeah.
we'll catch you guys later.
Bye bye.